Hello, in this video we're going to take a closer look at the inheritance feature when using Multi-Site Manager. After completing this training, you should be able to demonstrate the inheritance property on a live copy. So we've already created a live copy and rolled out changes from our source to the live copy. Now let's dig a bit deeper down into the inheritance property. Adobe Experience Manager enables you to manage inheritance at a blueprint level or at a component level. When you open a live copy page, you can view the inheritance status for each component. The inheritance status is displayed using a link icon. This link provides you with a great deal of flexibility because it is not that uncommon to want to copy only some of the content from the source. Breaking the inheritance of a component means that the live copy component is no longer linked to the source. So you can break the inheritance, but also re-enable the inheritance if you want to revert the content to match the source. So let's go back into AEM and back to our live copy. In AEM Sites, I'm going to go to our LC folder, Demo Live Copy, and I'll open up the company page. Select Edit. Once the page opens up, if I want to see a global view of what components are linked to the source, I can simply select the Edit and the live copy status, and everything in green is linked. So I'm just going to go back into Edit, select the first component. You notice that it's locked down. I can't modify the contents. However, I can cancel the inheritance, which I'll do right now. Say yes. And this is going to be something that's more local. So I'll change this to read something like the local office of geometrics was founded in 600 BC. And then I'll select the check mark to save my changes. And now if I go and take a look at the live copy status, I can see that this component is no longer linked to the source, which means that if I go back up into AEM Sites, go to the source, and select Edit. So once again, I'll edit this, say 700 BC. Change it, and of course now I can roll it out. Rollout was successful, and I'll just go back to my company page of my live copy, do a quick refresh, and I can see that it still hasn't changed on my live copy, which is the expected behavior. If I want to re-enable the inheritance, I simply click on the Re-enable Inheritance link, say yes. Once I re-enabled this link, I can go back to the source, roll it out again, go back to my live copy, click refresh, and I can see it is still using the content from my source. So that's the inheritance property at a component page level. But in addition, you can also inherit page properties. So I'm just going to go back into Sites and go back into my live copy. We'll use the same page. But this time, instead of going to Edit, I'm going to go to View Properties. And once again, you'll see that we have the inheritance link here, and I can either cancel it, make some changes. Those changes would only be saved on the live copy. They wouldn't get their information or their content from the source anymore. And I can also, once again, re-enable the inheritance. So that's it. To summarize, you should now be able to demonstrate the inheritance property on a live copy. Thanks for watching.